Hi, today I would like to show you how we are working with GainForest and the GainForest Green Globe to help us increase transparency and accountability of our projects. So I'm just going to take you through how it works so that you have an idea of what really happens. So when we, for example, plant trees, we do map them. We include the image, the species name, the size of the tree. Sometimes we even go ahead to record videos and sounds of animals in such areas. And yeah, it's very important tool for us tree planting companies. So I'm just going to take you through how it works step by step. Sometimes it might be a bit slow, but you have to bear with us. So I'll just put in the name of our organization, that is Bees and Trees, Uganda, and enter. Right, so when you do that, it takes you direct to one of our restoration sites. This is the major site, but we have others. And what you see here is some of the beehives that we have given to farmers in our project area. That's beehive 1, beehive 2, beehive 3. And taking you to other sites to show you some of the trees we've planted. So that's our portfolio. You see 209 trees here. You see 249 and 23. So we'll just zoom in and choose one. Let's try here in Central. Yeah, so we have some few trees planted here, and we'll try out this isolated one. I see that it's an avocado. Great, then we will try another one. It might take some time to load because of the internet connection, but we will definitely be able to see it in a few. Yeah, so there you go, our Prunus africana tree. And then I'll take you to another avocado tree. And you can see that we have the species name, we have the height, the width, and also the date measured. This really enables us to be transparent in that if you give us money to plant 1,000 trees with farmers or 5,000 trees, we can easily show you this data and you can verify it yourself to know that indeed the work has been done. So we will also try another site. This time let's try the east, our main project area. Okay, I see some few trees that we planted in a health center here. So we'll try this. So here we have a mango tree, but it's taking a little bit of time to load. But connectivity issues are always one of the few challenges we face with such technologies. But we are doing quite well and we will eventually get there. Okay, so I'll not waste too much time on this. At least you have an idea of how we are collaborating with GainForest to increase transparency of our conservation projects. And then here you can also find the information about our project. You can see the different polygons where we have planted trees. You can just click here and it will take you to that particular site. And again, you'll be able to see which trees did we exactly plant at this site. So by doing this, we are really increasing our transparency, but also ensuring that we account, depending on the area where we've been probably given funds to work. So this is just one part of the information. So when you come here, you can measure the biodiversity. There's predicted and also measured. And one of the things we are doing with GainForest is to also try and collect data about the plants, about the animals that we cite in the areas. So here you can see some of the predicted birds like the gray parrot, Taita falcon, among others. Yeah, so you'll find at some point when we do the measured, this is predicted, but when we do the measured, then we get more accurate information that can be very important for conservation programs, especially looking out for endangered species like this parrot. And then we can prioritize such ecosystems. So we'll go to the next, which is media. So here we can add photos, we can add videos, and this is also very important for our visibility. So you can really see how important this GainForest Green Globe is. We have a community. We see that you have received $200. And here you can find members of the team. Yes, and then we'll go to another icon about the chat. So you can directly chat with people at GainForest, but you can also chat with us directly. And then here you can find images and downloading all the data that we need maybe to share with our funders. Yeah, so this is how the GainForest Green Globe works. It is very helpful for us. And we really thank the team, David, Simeon, Chona, and all for supporting us with such a great platform that makes our work very easy, very visible. It makes our work very credible. So that's really important for us. And it's also helping to drive conservation projects, especially here in Africa. Yeah, and that's it about the technology we are using. And thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it.